Hi, my name is Lena and I came here to Irmet last year for a breast reduction. And from the time I stepped off the plane and met the drivers, to the coordinators, to the nurses, the doctors, especially Dr. Ali Tardy, they just can't do enough for you. And nothing is too much for them. The coordinators, the boys, everybody, they're just fantastic. You wouldn't find this hospital in Ireland, and the staff, you just wouldn't get the same attention as we got here. So also this time I've had a sleeve by Dr. Ali Tardy as well. And the nurses and doctors, same from last year to this year, they haven't changed. Their attitude is fantastic. They look after you, do anything you want them to do for you, and help us in every way. So I'd like to thank everybody in Irmet Hospital.